Hello, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today we are doing a video on Intel and their processors and everything that's going on with them. Now, the main part of this video is going to be based around purely what we have recently seen about Apple and having the plans to ditch the processors for their Macs due to them making their own processor, which is quite interesting. Will it have the same power? We don't know. Will it be? Is it real? And how will this affect Intel all round? Purely because I say this because Intel are used for quite a lot of things. HP, Dell, Samsung, all the different retailers or PC companies that use Intel. Like Intel's such a big company to be used for pre-built PCs and stuff like that. We find that they're one of the bigger groups that they deal for and make processors for is actually Apple, and this is a big issue. So if Apple do announce that they're going to be switching over to their own chips, their own processors, then you'll get an issue where they'll get an issue where they're going to be making a lot less money. Now, how is this going to affect Intel? You may ask. Well, the amount of money that they make off of Apple backs with a lot of their research and everything that they're doing to produce new CPUs. And as a lot of people who are into PCs and stuff like that and know about CPUs and AMD versus Intel, that they will find that Intel have not been putting much, haven't had much progress, haven't had much progress in the ways of like advancement in the processors, and AMD are really catching up and getting better than Intel, and a lot of people have seen this. But it also affects their research, but it also affects possibly how much they're going to be selling their processors for. Now, everyone knows that Intel are well known for their expensive product. This is why AMD can prevail over them, because they don't sell their product for as much. But it's a huge issue in which Intel are going to have to deal with. And are they going to basically increase the prices of their processors because they're losing money out on Apple, or are they going to keep it back? No one really knows. It's a recent thing that's happening, and it can go a lot of ways. Or what they could do is start concentrating on their price margins and try and increase sales after AMD. After AMD have basically produced after AMD have produced a better product with a better price, will they start reducing the price of their products to try and get sales up? Will they do more research into their processors to make them stronger and advanced? These are all questions that are being asked of recent times. We really don't know. There's only a few things we can really go into with AMD and what their plans are for the future. No one really knows, but Apple are going to have a massive impact on what's going on right now. And you never know, Apple might start bringing out their own CPUs to be bought separately and go into that market. We really haven't seen anything on it, but there are certain things that people have said. Apple have said that they're going into a new a new something. I don't specifically know the details about what Apple are building, but they're going off a new chipset called ARM, and it's supposedly going to be quite strong, and I presume it's going to be quite strong, as Apple usually try and get that upper hand on any other competitor and stuff like that. But yeah, as I said, there is the point of in which Apple are now gone from Intel, but is that going to really affect Intel that much, considering they have control over HP, Dell, Samsung, Microsoft, all those companies? Is that a case? Is that the case? We don't know. We'll have to find out in the future, and I'm sure Intel will probably talk on about this and tell people that it's not something to really worry about for their company. They're not going to crash or anything like that. They're such a big company and they've got so much money behind them, and it's something that's quite interesting, really, and what's going to be going on with Apple and their whole situation in Intel. So this was quite a short video, guys. I just wanted to talk about this briefly, just in case no one had really spoke about it, but I thought it's a video that I could talk about. Yeah, so sorry if it was a bit brief and a bit broken, this this video. I don't have much information on everything. I don't really have the information based on the chipsets, how powerful they're going to be and everything like that. It's just really a series of questions that hopefully I can answer in a new video later on. But yeah, so the key points really is Apple have stopped going for Intel. What are Intel going to be doing about the whole situation? Are they going to lose a lot of money? Are they going to carry on with the way that they are? Are they going to change how their processors are? They going to increase the prices of the processors? Are they going to decrease the price of the processors? Are they going to put more research into the processors? We're not too sure, but there's a lot of questions behind it. And also, what's going on with these Apple CPUs? Are they going to be something that they're going to be selling separately as well as putting into their machines, or are they just going to be selling the machines with those processors? How powerful are these processors going to be, and are they going to bring Apple into the primary gaming scene for PC and Macs? It's just all these different elements that kind of come together at the end of the day. And also, will this give AMD an advancement on Intel and make AMD a new the new big thing in CPUs? So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. I tried to do a few more gaming videos. Making videos is a bit slow at the moment, but yeah, I will see you in the next video. Please like, dislike, subscribe, comment down below. As I said before in every other video, still trying to hit that goal for the subscribers. It's 50 at the moment. I really want to get 100 by maybe the end of the year if I'm lucky. But thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.